Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing data mining, proven implementation framework, leading products, and the benefits of this innovative technology. Data mining is a process that extracts valuable information from large datasets. It is a powerful tool that has revolutionized the way businesses operate in today's data-driven world. But before we delve into the specifics of data mining, let's first discuss what it is. What is data mining? Data mining is the process of analyzing and extracting valuable insights from large sets of data. It involves the use of statistical algorithms and machine learning techniques to identify patterns and relationships within the data. These patterns and relationships can then be used to make informed decisions, improve business operations, and gain a competitive edge. Proven framework for data mining. There are several frameworks for data mining, but one of the most widely used is the CRISP-DM, Cross-Industry Standard Process for Data Mining, framework. The CRISP-DM framework consists of 6 stages. Business understanding. The objective of this stage is to identify the business problem to be solved and define the scope of the project. For example, a retail company might want to increase sales by improving their product recommendations to customers. In this stage, they would define the specific business objective, such as increasing revenue by 10%, and determine how data mining can help achieve this goal. Data understanding. In this stage, the focus is on understanding the data that will be used for the project. For example, in the retail company's case, they would gather data on customer demographics, purchase history, and product information. They would analyze the quality and relevance of the data, identifying any missing values or errors that need to be cleaned up. Data preparation. In this stage, the data is transformed into a format that can be used for analysis. This may involve selecting relevant variables, transforming data into a different format, or creating new variables. For example, the retail company might create a new variable for each customer that represents their purchasing behavior, such as the average amount they spend per transaction. Modeling. In this stage, statistical and machine learning models are developed and applied to the data to identify patterns and relationships. For example, the retail company might use a collaborative filtering algorithm to recommend products to customers based on their past purchase history and the purchasing behavior of similar customers. Evaluation. In this stage, the results of the models are evaluated to determine their effectiveness in meeting the business objectives. For example, the retail company might measure the accuracy of their product recommendations by tracking how often customers purchase the recommended products. They might also compare the revenue generated by the product recommendations to the revenue generated without them. Deployment. In this stage, the models are integrated into the business operations, and their impact is monitored and measured. For example, the retail company might integrate their product recommendation system into their online store and monitor its impact on revenue and customer satisfaction. They might also collect feedback from customers to improve the system over time. By following the CRISP-DM framework, businesses can ensure that their data mining projects are well-planned, effective, and aligned with their business objectives. Leading data mining products. There are several leading data mining products available in the market, including IBM SPSS Modeler. IBM SPSS Modeler is a comprehensive data mining and predictive analytics software that is widely used in academia and industry. It provides a wide range of statistical and machine learning algorithms for data analysis and modeling. SAS Enterprise Miner. SAS Enterprise Miner is a powerful data mining and predictive analytics software that is widely used in industry. It provides a wide range of statistical and machine learning algorithms for data analysis and modeling. RapidMiner. RapidMiner is a powerful data mining and predictive analytics software that is widely used in academia and industry. It provides a wide range of statistical and machine learning algorithms for data analysis and modeling. Benefits of data mining. Data mining has several benefits, including Improved customer targeting. Data mining enables businesses to identify and understand their most valuable customers, their preferences and behaviors, and target them with personalized marketing campaigns. A study by Gartner found that businesses that use data mining to improve customer targeting can achieve up to a 15% increase in revenue. Increased sales. By analyzing past sales data and customer behavior, data mining can help businesses identify cross-selling and upselling opportunities, as well as new product or service offerings. For example, Amazon's recommendation system is estimated to contribute to up to 35% of their total sales revenue. Reduced costs. Data mining can help businesses optimize their operations and reduce costs. For instance, data mining can help identify inefficiencies in production processes, supply chain management, and inventory management. According to a study by McKinsey & Company, manufacturing companies that use data mining to optimize their operations can reduce costs by up to 30%. Improved fraud detection. Data mining can help businesses detect fraudulent activities and prevent financial losses. For example, credit card companies use data mining to identify fraudulent transactions and prevent losses due to credit card fraud. According to a study by LexisNexis Risk Solutions, businesses that use data mining to detect fraud can reduce their losses by up to 50%. Enhanced customer experience. Data mining can help businesses improve their customer experience by identifying pain points and opportunities for improvement. For example, a study by Salesforce found that businesses that use data mining to improve customer experience can achieve up to a 25% increase in customer satisfaction and retention. Conclusion. Data mining is a powerful tool that has revolutionized the way businesses operate in today's data-driven world. By using the proven CRISP-DM framework and leading data mining products, businesses can extract valuable insights from their data and gain a competitive edge. The benefits of data mining, including improved decision-making, increased efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction, make it an essential tool for businesses looking to remain competitive and successful in their industry. One crucial aspect to note is that data mining is not a one-time event. Instead, it is a continuous process that requires ongoing monitoring and evaluation to ensure that the insights obtained from the data remain relevant and accurate. By continually analyzing new data and refining their data mining models, businesses can remain agile and responsive to changes in their industry and market trends. Moreover, businesses should ensure that they have the right skills and expertise in place to execute data mining effectively. This may involve hiring data scientists, data analysts, and other experts who can help develop and execute data mining projects. Alternatively, businesses can partner with third-party service providers who offer data mining services and expertise. To conclude, data mining has transformed the way businesses operate and make decisions. By using the CRISP-DM framework, implementing leading data mining products, and leveraging the benefits of data mining, businesses can gain a competitive edge and drive success in their industry. Thanks for watching.